most exciting parts of shooting with the Insta360 X4 and X5 is bringing your underwater stories to life through color and editing. While these cameras already produce impressive colors straight out of the camera, especially in clear water and good lighting conditions, underwater environments can still be tricky. Factors like depth, visibility, and natural light loss often affects how your footage looks like. This is where the Insta360's powerful color correction and editing tools, built directly into the mobile app, make a huge difference. With just a few taps, you can restore the natural blues and greens of the ocean, highlight marine life, or create cinematic color tones that elevate your dive footage. To start, select the footage you want to edit in the Insta360 mobile app. Tap the timeline to access editing tools. Then select Color. Here, you'll find a range of options tailored to improve both everyday and underwater clips. First is the Color Plus. This enhances overall vibrancy by balancing shadows and highlights while boosting saturation. For the best results, pair it with a Dolby Vision to make your underwater clips look more vivid and lifelike. We also have the filters, where you can choose from a wide selection of themed color presets to match your creative vision. Whether you want a cinematic feel or a tropical pop or moody tones, filters help set the mood instantly. You can also fine-tune them further using Adjust. Then we have the Adjust. This gives you complete control over your footage with settings like exposure, contrast, brightness, highlights, shadows, saturation, vibrance, temperature, tint, black point, and definition. This is perfect for divers who want precise corrections for challenging underwater lighting. We also have the Clarity Plus. This enhances sharpness and detail, making underwater texture and marine life appear more defined. We also have the AquaVision 3.0, which is a powerful AI-driven color correction tool designed specifically for underwater footage. It restores lost colors and tones as you go deeper, offering 4 AI-recommended corrections that make your footage appear more natural and balanced compared to standard filters. Take note, you can combine certain tools like Color Plus, filters, and Adjust for a custom look. However, AquaVision 3.0 cannot be combined with other color enhancements due to performance limits. The Insta360 mobile app also goes beyond color correction with a variety of editing tools to help you tell your story. First, you can go with the speed controls, which lets you adjust playback speed for slow motion shots or create time lapses. Then you also have Stats Overlay, which allows you to sync dive data from sources like Sunto to display stats like depth, duration, temperature directly on your footage. This is especially powerful for divers who want to combine storytelling with performance data. There's also Transitions and Effects, which lets you add smooth cuts, dynamic effects, and overlays to enhance the flow of your video. You can also add text, stickers, and filters, which lets you personalize your clips for social sharing. Then the AI editing or Flash Cut, which lets the app do the work for you by auto-editing the templates, transitions, and copyright-free music, making quick edits easier when you're on the go. Color correction and editing are where your Insta360 X4 and X5 footage truly comes alive. While the cameras already capture breathtaking detail, the Insta360 app's editing tools give you the flexibility to refine, enhance, and even transform your raw clips into polished stories. Whether you're correcting the blue-green hues of a deep dive with AquaVision 3.0, enhancing the details with Clarity Plus, or just adding personal touches with filters and overlays, these tools empower you to create videos that not only document your dives, but also immerse the viewers in the beauty of the underwater world. With the right balance of color and creativity, your dive stories can become as vivid as the moments themselves.